Guys, Bitcoin had a major bounce right here. The bounce came that we have been talking about in yesterday's video. In today's video, guys, we are going to talk about whether this was the bottom of the price of Bitcoin, which levels we need to watch above us. And I'm also going to show you a trade that I have opened over on the Bybit exchange. And I'm also going to tell you the trick why I've entered at this specific level. So guys, all about that in today's video. With that being said, my name is Sharon. Welcome to the Blockchain Today, the channel where you subscribe for daily crypto videos. Guys, before we are jumping into the Bitcoin price action, make sure to scroll below this video and to hit the thumbs up button. Guys, that is very much appreciated. For the traders out there who are interested in trading Bitcoin, I'm recommending 3 exchanges down below this video. If you sign up using one of my affiliate links down below this video, you can get an additional bonus. Right now on Bybit, there is a major bonus going on. You can get a $4,100 bonus and a 10% discount on your fees. On the Famix platform, it is a $1,200 bonus, and on the Prime XPT platform, it is a 25% discount on your fees. So for all the traders interested in that, you can find all of my affiliate links down below this video. Then guys, let's jump into Bitcoin. And yeah, we actually saw the bounce coming. We have been talking about in yesterday's video, right? We are seeing the first signs. We are getting these bullish divergences and so on. And right here, we can see that Bitcoin broke above the neckline right here, around slightly above $55,000. And there we saw a nice spike in the Bitcoin price. But guys, does that mean that Bitcoin bottomed right here? And can we right now continue in a rally? Well, it sure does look like that right now. However, we are definitely not out of the woods yet, because if we have a look at the pattern, the falling wedge formation, Bitcoin is still trading within that falling wedge formation. We are still trading below some key moving averages. So far, technically speaking, we still have to say that we still trade in this pattern. We haven't seen a decisive breakout yet. However, that can come in the next coming days. Definitely, we will be going over a couple of charts because so far Bitcoin is actually looking quite bullish, because this is, like we said in yesterday's video as well, something we're waiting for, a nice engulfing candle, which is really a candle into the opposite direction. So what we are seeing right here, so a nice pump after a quick tap of liquidity below the support. So guys, I'm also going to show you my trade, but first of all, let's go to the daily time frame, because the daily time frame is looking quite good. And we have been talking about in yesterday's video as well that the price action right here is looking quite similar as the price action right here. We got bullish divergences, the momentum indicators, they retraced further than the price. That is all very good, and we are seeing that the momentum indicators were even at similar levels right here. So that is all looking quite similar. The pattern is looking quite similar, and we are still in a same structure, which is the ascending channel. Then I want to bring out some key moving averages, and first of all is the 100 daily moving average. That is the blue line right here. That is also the level I've been pointing out for a couple of days already. Right now, I said the moment we are breaking the 50-day, the chances are very, very likely we are going to touch the 100-day. Due to the fact that if we have a look at the historical price action of Bitcoin, every single time we broke the 50-day, we touched the 100-day, almost every single time. So the chances are just very high. And right now we are seeing that bounce of the 100 daily moving average. Something similar we have seen right here. So this is signaling that we could be seeing a potential bottoming right here. However, like I said, we are still trading in this pattern right here, so it's not yet confirmed. A very nice confirmation would be a break above the 50 daily moving average right here, which is right now around $60,000. That would be awesome. And we can also lower that moving average to, for example, a 10 daily moving average, and that can also work as a form of confirmation. So right here we can see it as well. The moment we broke above the 10 daily moving average right here after forming that bottom, that was also the signal we actually bottomed out and we entered this rally. And right now I think something similar we could be seeing as well. But the best thing would be, of course, break above the declining resistance right here with nice volume. But the first level to break right now is that daily close above the 10 daily moving average. Then guys, I want to show you a trade that I'm in right now, and right now that is a 65,000 US dollar Bitcoin trade with a entry price of 53,646, and right now it's approximately 30% in profit, approximately 4,700. And I want to give you a little bit my way of thinking of why I've entered this trade, and how that process actually went. So first of all, for that I would like to go to the 1 hour or to the 4 hour time frame actually. Let me get rid of the moving averages right here. So what we can see right here on the 4 hour time frame is that we are already getting the divergences, right? We are setting lower lows in the price, we are getting higher lows in the momentum indicators, in the relative strength index, in the MACD as well. That is all looking bullish. Then right here, if we have a look at this piece of price action, which was hovering, and I've uploaded yesterday's video as well because of the importance of that, is hovering above key support. So we are above the 100-day moving average, we have the support of the rising channel right here, and we have the support of the falling wedge formation. So there's so much confluence right there that it also makes sense to get a reaction, but it also makes sense to get that last liquidity tap, and that is what I want to show you. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame. So we got that drop in the price of Bitcoin, which eventually created these two lows at approximately 53,600 something, right? And what we're normally seeing right here is that if Bitcoin wants to reverse, we're normally not seeing a structure like this, like a double bottom formation, and can be actually a double bottom formation, but on a higher time frame, and then eventually like higher low and go into a uptrend. What we are often seeing, and this is also this is a typical behavior of Bitcoin, but also different assets, is a liquidity tap. So we create these lows right here, which is going to be the support, and then eventually we are going to lose that support, as you can see right here, and then we are going to tap into new liquidity, and that is what makes this fake out eventually, and that Bitcoin is going into the opposite direction. So it is impossible to predict such a big bounce in the Bitcoin price, of course. However, it is good once we are setting these lows to, for example, set your buy orders around these lows as well, so that you can enter the moment we have that liquidity tap. And of course, if we eventually would break it decisively, like we have been mentioning in yesterday's video as well, then you could exit your trade always. And that would be the bearish scenario. But so far, even though Bitcoin is looking bullish and we are seeing that those divergences and most likely the bounce is coming, it is still likely to break below these levels and to get that liquidity tap. So if you already entered during these levels, it's also good to don't have your stop loss directly below these levels, because often we will see a fake out into the other direction and then reverse to the direction Bitcoin actually wants. So this was a beautiful example of that as well. And most of the time we are getting one last dip before going back into that uptrend. So that is just something I wanted to point out. That was my strategy right here as well. I had a other long position open. I closed that one due to the fact that we had a hidden bearish divergence on the 4 hour time frame earlier on. So that we got right here when I opened a long position right here as well, because I'm hoping to catch the bottom for Bitcoin whenever it is breaking out. But then when Bitcoin came to these levels, we got these hidden bullish divergences over on the momentum indicators. That was for me the trigger that I said, okay, most likely we are going to see another test of the lows, at least these levels, but most likely also get a further test right here, which we eventually got, which I also pointed out in my videos right here. So like I said, this is a very good sign for Bitcoin. Bitcoin is looking bullish. However, we are not out of the woods yet, because the first level to break is the 10 daily moving average. Then we have the level, the declining resistance of this rising falling wedge formation. That is going to be a nice decisive breakout for me. If we can get a nice decisive breakout out of this, then it also confirms the likelihood that Bitcoin is seeing have seen a bottom. And of course the 50 daily moving average, which right now is hovering around 60k, is also would be a very nice confirmation to break. Then guys, let's quickly have a look at some other charts. Let's start with the Dixie. Dixie is actually looking quite good for Bitcoin. We got these bearish divergences on the 4-hour time frame. I've been pointing that out, and we so far have seen a drop. We retraced to the 50% Fibonacci level right here, also a horizontal support, as I can see the green line, important level. Right now we are trading back into this ascending channel. If we were to get rejected right here from the resistance and can see a further drop, that would be great for Bitcoin, as there is an inverse correlation between the Dixie and Bitcoin. Then guys, let's have a quick look at the S&P 500, because we have seen a pullback so far in the S&P 500. Right now we are approaching an important level. That is the former high right here, which has been acting as support the moment we broke above this level. This level is right now at approximately 4,545. If we can hold this level and see a nice bounce, that would be good for Bitcoin too. Strength in the S&P 500. If we were to lose this level, guys, then that might be a warning signal for Bitcoin too, if we are still seeing that clear correlation. But yeah, so far there is still quite a clear correlation between Bitcoin and the regular financial markets. And I think there definitely is they all working together. So we have the Dixie, the S&P 500, all these charts, they're actually telling a similar story. So when the Dixie is, for example, looking bearish, it is bullish for the S&P 500 and for Bitcoin. Makes complete sense, because when the dollar is looking weak, people trying to escape the dollar, what do they go to? They go to the regular financial markets. But nowadays, crypto is also quite mainstream, right? Crypto is also a safe haven for the escape for the dollar, especially Bitcoin. So it really makes sense that when the dollar is looking weak, Bitcoin and the S&P 500 are doing good, and vice versa as well when the opposite is happening. So yeah, that is just important to note. I think the structure in Bitcoin right now is really good. That engulfing candle is really great, but we're out of the woods yet. But it starts to look like we could be seeing another attempt of breakout. We have to watch these charts, the Dixie and the S&P 500 as well, because if we really were to see some warning signals right here, that could have a effect over on Bitcoin. But okay guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed today's analysis. If so, make sure to scroll below this video, hit the thumbs up button, very much appreciated. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. And for all the traders who are interested in trading Bitcoin or a variety of altcoins, I'm recommending 3 exchanges down below this video. And if you sign up on these exchanges using my affiliate link down below, you can claim a major bonus. And especially right now on the Bybit exchange, where you can trade Bitcoin, variety of altcoins with leverage, but also on the spot market. Right now you can claim a bonus of $4,100 and a 10% discount on your fees, only with this link down below. On the Femix platform, you can get a $1,200 bonus, and on the Prime XPT platform, you will get a 25% discount on your fees. Then guys, if you are interested in learning how to trade crypto profitably, I've created a cryptocurrency training course, and right now there is quite a discount going on. You can get a $150 discount on my trading course with the link down below and with the code crypto150. So for all the people who are interested in taking the next step into their crypto trading journey, you can find more information on my website, theblockchaintoday.com, but also in the link down below. Then guys, I want to wish every single one of you an awesome day today, and I hope to see every single one of you in the next video.